past the glass. The block keeps blinking back. Your voice cuts through the room like a spark in the black. I can't stay on this side. These walls won't do tonight. If this whole town tastes like fruit, I'm taking one quick bite. So why do you call me in? Why do you pull me near? Why does it feel so right when you're right here?
That's human nature. That's human nature. That's human nature. That's human nature. You know I want it. You know I feel it. That's human nature. The way you move me.
Hands out to the passing crowd. Your look finds me again. Those sharp little silver eyes, they catch me where I stand. You know I see you smile. You know I like the stare. We both keep playing the game like neither of us care. So why do you call me in? Why do you pull me near? Why does it feel so right when you're right here?
That's human nature. That's human nature. That's human nature. That's human nature. You know I want it. You know I feel it. That's human nature. The way you move me. The way you move me.
Morning breaks on the avenue and my heart starts up again. I reach for you in the crowd like I'm dreaming